Hello, welcome back to the Climate Max Building Materials channel, and today we are going to talk about the Climate Max home and how it's built. And it's kind of a series, first in the series of several videos we're going to do. We want to remind you that anytime during this video, and it's a short video, you're welcome to stop it and give us a call at this number, 615-397-0406. Or simply send us a text or a voicemail text type thing, and we'll be glad to respond back to you. We're not going to call the number unless you've instructed us to. But anyway, let's get on with the program, and we're going to go through the two basic building materials we use for the frame and the outer shell of the Climate Max home. All right, we're going to jump right into this here, and here you see the real strength of the Climate Max home. This is the shell, the protective shell of the house and supportive structure, and it is made up of two components. One is the ThermoSteel insulated steel panels that go on the walls and on the roof, and the roof is all supported by fast frame steel trusses. And so this gives not only superior strength, it's also Class A fire resistant, and done properly, depending on windows and things like that you put into the house, you're going to get with this with the ThermoSteel panels somewhere between a 40 and a 60 R rating on this house. So it's very sustainable, and it's a very strong house that's going to last you a lifetime. Okay, now we're going to zoom in a little bit here so you can see some of the interior. And of course you see the steel beams coming down and the insulated panels. And these panels are rated at a 150 mile an hour wind test. And so when you have steel trusses and this type of panels on the outside, you've really got a sturdy house that's really going to hold up. And you don't have to worry about snow loads, things like that on the roof. Of course, we recommend metal roofing on all these buildings, and also we recommend fire-resistant products on the siding that go directly onto the ThermoSteel panels. And it'll give you an airtight shell to protect you for your life of the home. Okay, we're going to take a look at the makeup of the ThermoSteel wall panel here. As you can see, it has 4 steel studs on both sides, and those do not go all the way through the insulation, so you don't create thermal bridging here. They're around 80 pounds per panel. They fit into a channel. They're very easy to put up, and you don't even have to use a vapor barrier on this if you don't like. So anyway, very valuable. We're going to take a look at the roof panels now. Here's the roof panels, and they average between 5.5 and 7.5 inches thick, depending on your climate region. And all of this is engineered by both ThermoSteel and Fast Frame to make sure we're putting the right product in the right climate zone, and also to meet the requirements of your building plans. Here's a CAD drawing being worked up by the engineers at Fast Frame, and they're getting ready to turn those into the finished product that we're going to take a look at right now. And as I mentioned earlier, this is all pre-made at the factory and fitted. So what you're looking at here are trusses that are being assembled to go out to a job, and they're all pre-bundled and they're ready to go, and there is no waste on these. Once they get out there, they just go ahead and set them in place, and the building goes up. Once your order is completed, it's all loaded on a semi, similar to what you see here. Then it goes directly to the building site, where it can be unloaded by hand or with forklift. So it doesn't take very long to get this done. This first video for Climate Max homes included the two major components of the shell of the outer structure of the home. In the next video that we do, it will be about the exterior finishing of that, which are also climate resilient and fire resistant. So again, here's that number if you want to send us a quick text, voicemail, or give us a call. We'll be glad to explain and answer any of the questions you have Until then, we'll see you in video 2, which is going to cover the exterior sidings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. This is Dan.